Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Facebook app in Samsung Galaxy A15. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can manage everything on your device, from display settings to app permissions. Step 2. Now locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type in apps. You may see a list of suggestions appear. Ignore anything unrelated. What you want is simply the apps option under settings. This section shows you all the apps installed on your device. Step 4. From the search results, tap on the apps menu to access your full list of installed apps. This includes both system apps and apps you've downloaded, like Facebook. Step 5. Now scroll through the list until you find Facebook. The list is in alphabetical order, so this should be fairly quick. Tap on Facebook to open the app info screen. Step 6. For the last and most important step, in the app info screen, locate the Uninstall button. It's usually near the bottom of the screen. Tap Uninstall, and when the confirmation pops up, tap OK or uninstall again to confirm. That's it. The Facebook app is now completely removed from your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.